Yo, what's going on, guys? Can somebody check if I'm live on YouTube? What's going on, man? Can somebody check if I'm live on YouTube? Is everything cool on YouTube? You are? Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, what's going on, everyone? So we got FOMC minutes coming out in about 20 minutes. I'm expecting some sort of push-up, to be honest. We have a lot of low resistance liquidity here on NQ and ES. We'll have to see what happens here at the report, though. If this 5-minute right here, this 5-minute manipulation move that happened during the bond auction, if this is, in fact, our manipulation move and we move higher from here, then the -2 and the standard deviation projections align up perfectly with London high and all this low resistance liquidity. So I'm anticipating higher prices for today. It just doesn't make sense for me to short right around here. I don't have any clear or defined sell side targets besides the one all the way down here. Now, I don't know if we're going to move over from where we're at right now. I don't know if we're going to move over 240 points. Very unlikely, especially during a PM session. So we'll have to see what ends up happening here. But yeah, how's everybody else doing? Everybody chilling? Did you guys get chopped up in this, or did you guys avoid all this like I told you guys to? You guys better have avoided it, man. Chilling? Good stuff. Rested? Good shit, man. All right, let's see where the standard deviation lines up for ES here. So if I anchor this on the 5-minute, the -2 and -2.5 line up all the way up here. I don't know if we move that much, though. I am betting that we do take out all this low resistance liquidity, though. Like, we have a lot on ES and NQ. So I'm thinking that we take all that out. You didn't avoid. How was it, bro? Were you positive, negative? What happened? What's going on? You lost. As expected, man. I told you. Told you to avoid it, brother. It's tough out here when you're trying to trade this chop, man. I mean, there's really not much we can do right now. We just got to wait for the report to come out at here in about 20 minutes. No sound. What do you mean no sound? I think it's you guys. Yeah, I think it's you guys. Can you explain why we should avoid? I mean, look at this chop, brother. You want to trade that? The reason why I ended up not participating in the morning trades was because we have a very small daily range, and the only sell side that I seen was this one. And to be honest, it really wasn't worth it for me, like, to catch a little scalp move down to that sell side. You could have, but for me, I didn't really want to participate in this really small daily range. Plus, FOMC minutes, if you go and back test the FOMC minutes days, you usually get the same type of profile. Like, if you go look at the January 3rd FOMC minutes day, this profile right here, meaning like this structure, is the exact same. It's the exact same. Very, very similar to January 3rd, the FOMC minutes. So those of you watching on YouTube, go to January 3rd and look at the FOMC minutes. Look at what happened and look at the structure of that day. It's the exact same. We kept taking lows, and then once FOMC minutes came out, we took the low one more time, and then we pushed up to take out a bunch of liquidity, and then we dumped the rest of the day. But we didn't even dump that much. It was very, very small. Super, super small daily range. And to be honest, guys, I'm not even looking for a huge move. Like, this is our current daily candle right here. And this daily candle is extremely, it's not that big. We're in a very small daily range. Like, if you're looking at this, I'm expecting this daily candle to close somewhere like this. I don't think we get a green, like a bullish close. I think we close somewhere near the low. But that doesn't mean that we can't pump up a little bit to take out internal buy side. Now, if we do close like this, I am expecting this low to be taken because this is the IPDA 20-day low. So this is important liquidity down here. And if we form a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap for that matter, we could tap into it potentially Thursday or Friday or even next week, and then, you know, aim for this important low down here. So this is my like more, I guess, midterm outlook is this low, and then eventually these lows down here for NQ. The reason why I say that is because this low failed to produce a new high, and we're breaking structure. We're breaking through this low. So especially if we close the daily candle, a body candle close below this, yeah, we're due for this low down here. So again, I'm expecting lower on the higher time frames, but for now, I can see us pumping and taking all this low resistance liquidity, all this liquidity right here, right? We kept leaving highs, kept taking lows. Left high, took low. Left high, took low. Left high, took low. Lower lows, and we kept leaving all those highs intact. So this is low resistance liquidity. I'm thinking news pumps us up, take all this out, and then we can continue lower tomorrow, Friday, or next week. Next week, we have a lot of news. So it's going to be fun to play around with all that news next week, to be honest. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take away this Fibonacci because it's a little too much noise on my chart. No. There we go. Got to take away this fib. Oh my goodness. Quarterly theory looks like AMDX for the afternoon session. So makes sense if this is AMDX for the afternoon session. This looks like accumulation. Manipulation is going to come in during news, so that totally makes sense. What's LRL look like? You drawing a wedge? It's just a trend line, bro. This is what it looks like here. Looks a lot more clear on the 15-minute. It's pretty much like all this right here. Pretty much your trend line phantom. It's what retail traders are looking at. Looking at all this liquidity here on the trend line. All this. Same thing on ES. Same exact thing. It's a lot clearer on the 1 hour. ES still respecting this 5-minute fair value gap. Again, I'm expecting or anticipating move higher here for news. Maybe we can get a whiplash down, take out the low, and then start pushing up. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what's good. We'll see what's popping. We'll see what's popping. How's everybody doing? How's the YouTube side doing? How's the YouTube side doing today? How are the free viewers doing? Are you guys break even? Are you guys red? Are you guys green? What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, my YouTube viewers? Like up the video, man. Like up the video. That helps it out. If you guys are watching from Discord, if you guys are on the YouTube, like up the video on the YouTube. It helps out, you know, pushing it out there so other people can see. I'm sorry, my YouTube viewers. My Discord's making fun of you guys. They said you guys are a bunch of bots. You guys aren't a bunch of bots. I love you guys. I love everybody that watches me. He said that's crazy. All right, 15 more minutes. We'll see what's popping in the cut. Gonna full port my funded account for news. That's crazy. Some guy in the YouTube comment just said that. Just 2x my money on AIX. Good shit, Nick. Good shit. Yeah, AIX, man, I really wanted to put more money into it. I didn't put as much money as I liked into it, but I definitely want to see if we can get a pullback over the next few days or weeks. I'm thinking AIX is a like a high $100 million project, like in the 100 millions. Bro, I feel so underexposed to AIX. I got in at 13M. Damn, bro. I know I'm underexposed as well. Johnny, is it a bad idea to gamble 1 micro 30 seconds before news? I don't know, bro. Can you even hold positions with Top Step Express accounts on news? Don't know. Let's find out. It's fucking funny. I think you can, right? You can hold it. You just can't open a position during. So yes, still respecting the 5 minute. Can you trade news with funded account on Top Step? I believe so. I don't think you can like. I don't know. I've never really traded news on the Top Step account. I think you can hold through them. I just don't think you can open a position during the news, like when the news is happening. Correct me if I'm wrong, though. What about FP? I think I'm gonna wait on FP, bro. It's pretty high up there. I think I'll wait on FP to buy some. But FP is a solid pick in my opinion. How much would y'all risk on a 50K Top Step just moved from FX? I would risk no more than like 250, bro. This shit's just gonna chop around. It's unused. What's that yellow labeled box? This is a 15-minute fair value gap from the morning. And then this trend line is low resistance liquidity. I mean, I could delete this trend line. It's a little too much noise, in my opinion. It's a lot cleaner. Go ahead and remove that. Add a trend line here. Let's clean up this chart real quick while we wait. You guys see how we just kept taking lows and leaving highs? Took low, took low, took low. Like all this up here. This is up here's London high. It's literally just gonna chop around until news. That's what it's waiting for. Fucking printer. He said, I can't. He said, who is this guy? I can't believe he's not taking a trade right now. Trolley. You know what I'm expecting? You know what looks like it might happen is we actually might make an SMT with ES. ES is all the way up here, still respecting that 5-minute fair value gap while NQ disrespected it. So what could happen here on news release is we could go down, take out the slow, create SMT with ES, and then start pushing up to take out all that low resistance liquidity. That's one scenario. Another scenario is we just keep going down. We keep melting down and close somewhere down here. But let's see. We got 9 more minutes. But that kind of looks like the scenario that I'm looking at right now because the 5-minute disrespected this bullish fair value gap. ES is still respecting it. It's 5-minute bullish fair value gap. So I could definitely see NQ wicking down, taking out that low, and then pushing up. But again, let's see. Any trades this morning? Nah, man. We sat out. I didn't like anything in the morning. Didn't want to trade in the morning. Just said fuck that. And then I'm here live, right? I'm here live now. So we went live in the morning, but we didn't see anything that we liked. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with that bot, guys. I don't know what's up with that bot. The bot has smoke with everyone. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube, Troy. I usually do it every Wednesday, like a free live. What's my plan here, Johnny? So my plan is so my plan right now, I'm looking at different scenarios that could happen with the news release. I just explained one where we take out this low, create SMT with ES, and then start pushing back up. That's one scenario, right? If we take out this low, then we could potentially form a bullish unicorn if we were to displace back up, and this would become our bullish breaker right there. If we were to come down and take out this low and form an SMT, we could anticipate a bullish unicorn to form, and then we could look at all this low resistance liquidity. Now, that's one scenario that I'm potentially looking at. Another one is currently, if we push up and displace higher off news, then this will become our bullish breaker right here, and then we can look for maybe a tap into that bullish breaker and the CISD if we can displace above it, this order block right there on the 5 minute, and then we could look to, take a trade all the way up to there. Another scenario is we just keep dumping, and then we can form a bearish breaker right here, and then we could look to take a trade. But I wouldn't like this last scenario just because there's really no defined sell side targets until all the way down here, and I highly doubt, I don't know how important this FOMC report is going to be. It's just a detailed summary of what happened last FOMC. So I don't know if we dropped 230 points in the last 2 hours of the market. I highly doubt that. So like shorts right now, I just don't know, man. Shorts, we've already taken our objective right here for the day. So shorts just do not look appealing to me, if I'm being honest. I mean, maybe we could try one, but shorts just don't look appealing to me right now. I'd rather take longs to clear out all this up here. That's just my opinion, though. If I don't see anything that I don't like, I'm not taking it. Yeah, shorts make no sense. Exactly. It's bearish. Yeah, I have a midterm outlook of us going down here. I'm extremely bearish, but you have to play what the market's giving you for the day. Like, I can guarantee you that the market's going to come all the way down to here to take out this low. I could 100% guarantee that that's going to happen eventually, right? But for today, we got to play what the market gives us. So that's why I'm laying out a bunch of different scenarios, and then I'll play off whatever scenario is given to me. What's this bot telling you guys? What the fuck? What's this bot telling you guys in the Discord, bro? This bot has smoke with everyone. Yo, this bot's lit, bro. This bot is crazy. That's funny. All right, news in about 3.5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Hey, I love you too, bro. I love you too, buddy. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, I appreciate you guys. Appreciate the YouTube. Are you expecting a huge move at news release or when he's starting to speak? So nobody's going to speak, bro. It's just literally a report. It's a summary of what happened in the last FOMC meeting. It's just a report. It's not the actual FOMC meeting. You doing your own thing solo now? Yeah, man. All right, news in about a minute and a half. Grrrah. 55 seconds, my boys. 55 seconds. You guys in the Discord are funny. What's going on? What's hood? What's hood? All right, 30 seconds. Since you started doing your own Discord, how do you feel seeing your community growing? I love it, bro. I love it. Shit's so fire. I love seeing you guys progress. Like I love like the community all taking the same sort of model. Like that's what I really enjoy because it's not just a bunch of like, oh, he took this, he took that, yada yada yada, right? It's like everybody's taking the similar trades, which is what I like. All right, let's see. FOMC minutes coming out in 2 seconds. Oh, 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 oh boy. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, let's see. Yeah, we damn near agree on a trade before we take it in here. Facts. All right, let's see if we get an SMT down here or not, or if we're just going to react off this old sell side and then push up or push down. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Support. No, it's just testing this old sell side level. It's very underwhelming, bro. This news is super underwhelming. I want to see if we can get an SMT here. We're in the manipulation phase of quarterly theory in the PM session. So I'm wondering if we get a SMT down here or not. Let's see. Or if we're just retesting this old sell side here. Because if this is the manipulation move, okay, so we just took that low right there. Let's see. So we have SMT now. So that's one of the scenarios I just laid out before news happened, is an SMT potentially occurring in the manipulation phase. Now, since the SMT occurred, I'd like to see a pushback up. So if we're looking at the 1 minute here, I never use the 1 minute either. I want to see a pushback up and a change in the state of delivery here. But let's see. Let's see if this SMT holds. I'm telling you guys, FOMC minutes is not super lackluster, bro. It's like this event here is not. It's fucking weak, bro. It's not a good. In my opinion, it's not like the best news event. It's super lackluster. It doesn't really do much. Right now, people are reading the report right now, so we're gonna have to see what happens here. The last event, it pushed down like this, and we made an SMT as well, and then we started pushing up, taking out buy side. So that's kind of what I'm expecting here. If we keep going lower, I honestly probably won't take a trade. If I'm gonna just keep it a buck with you, I probably will not take a fucking trade if we just keep going lower. Because if we keep going lower, I mean, I really don't know where we would go. Like weekly, daily. I don't know where I mean, the only sell side that I'm seeing on the 1 hour and 4 hour are all the way down here, and I really don't think we move all the way down there today. It's, like I said, especially with the last 2 hours of market, I really do I do not see that happening. So I'm looking for longs instead. There you go. There you go, buddy. Did I not call this, or did I call it? Let me know. Let me know. Did I call it or not? Come on now. Give me a 5-minute unicorn and I'm slapping it all day. Give me a 5-minute unicorn and I'm slapping it. Come on. I don't know. I don't even know what to say at this point, dude. He said I'm a bot. I'm the algorithm, bro. I'm just kidding. Yeah, this is exactly what we wanted. This is one of the scenarios I was looking at. You guys can go rewind the live and you know, see that I pretty much called this out right here. Now we just wait. Now we're just waiting for I mean, this technically is a breaker block, but I'm looking at this one right here. This fucking indicator is useless, bro. I'm looking at this one right here. This, or is this one a bullish candle? No, it's not. So I'm looking at this one right here for my bullish breaker. I just need to see, what I need to see here is another candle, another 5-minute candle push up and displace above these highs and then leave a fair value gap. So that way we could slap it and potentially take it down here. So if I go to the 1 minute real quick and I anchor my Fibonacci, let's see where these standard deviations are. They're right there. So this lines up perfectly with this buy side. I don't trade on the 1 minute, guys. I'm sorry. So if you guys are a bunch of 1 minute warriors, I hate taking trades on the 1 minute. I always lose them. I don't like trading on the 1 minute. So there is a 1 minute unicorn there though. On the 1 minute there. CISD, changing the state of delivery, tap the bullish breaker. I do not like trading on the 1 minute. Is that a breaker? No, it's not, Big A. I forgot to tell you that wasn't a breaker. It's not a breaker because it didn't make a new high. If it would have made a new high and then displaced lower, that would have been, you know what I mean? That would have been a breaker, but it's not. This looks really good though. I ain't gonna lie. Like the standard deviation now off this 1 minute manipulation move. This looks pretty good. I mean, I think this would be the swing high though, not that. So if I'm fixing it there, 2.5 lines up right at this buy side. And then the -2 lines up right there. So that's where I think we go if we keep pushing up. I want to see some fair value gaps. I want to see displacement. I want to see speed. We're not getting that right now. So if we roll over here, this setup's fucked. We did sweep this internal buy side right here. What's going on, man? Welcome, welcome. Let me go ahead and take this out. Now that you guys see the standard deviation from that 1 minute manipulation move, it lines up perfectly with all this buy side up here. So let me go ahead and take this off. And let's go to the 15-minute real quick. I want to see what the 15-minute can form a potential bullish unicorn as well. This would be our breaker right here. If we can displace above it, I want to see a displacement above it. This order block is holding this shit down right now. Exactly like the past FOMC minutes, swept both highs and lows. Yeah, man. FOMC minutes, super lackluster. My guy said, hopefully we just chop till close. No mames, bro. Why would you say that? Yo, bro, I'm down 800 on my 50K combine. Any tips? Yeah, man. Use micros until you can get that back up. Avoid minis on a 50K. If you're using minis on a 50K, you're gonna blow that shit quick. Use micros. Focus on micros. Yeah, we have 2 more hours till close, so. Dude, the 1 hour looks like shit. 15-minute looks decent. This candle right here could become our bullish breaker if we get displaced above it. Bro, I almost got daily loss limit today. Ended up gambling and got to break even, but I'm not proud of it. Yeah, man, you should have just avoided the whole morning, bro. You should have just waited till now, to be honest, because there was nothing here. Like, this was just sideways accumulation right here. There's really nothing here, if I'm being honest. This was like scalper's paradise, but, you know, I'm not a scalper, so. Yeah, NATO, just chill, bro. See if we get a trade here. You're at break even now, so good job at bringing it back up, but just wait it out, man. You always take a bullish candle for a bullish unicorn? No, not always. We sometimes will set limits in the CISD, which is the order block within the unicorn. If we usually have an order block within the unicorn, that's like free money right there. That's a big tip. Remember, wicks do the damage. Bodies tell the what? Bodies tell the story. On ES, look at the ES. Look at this 5 minute on ES right here. Wicks do the what? Wicks do the damage. Bodies tell the story. Ooh, nuts. Good stuff, bro. You soup that low. Good shit. Good shit. I'm just going to stay on the 15 minute here. I'm going to stay on the 15 minute here. One minute order block, huh? I don't see a 1 minute order block, Ghost. Looks like you just souped that. Oh, I see what you're marking. I see what you're marking. Okay. Did you see the bullish 5 minute uni in AM sesh ES? Nah, bro. I mean, I did, but like, there's just, I didn't want to take it. There wasn't anything. I see it here, but there wasn't anything. I mean, yeah, I did see it, but what had happened here was we already took these highs. I know which one you're talking about. You're talking about this one right here in this area. But the reason why I didn't even want to take that was because we already swept these highs, and I was just anticipating choppy conditions. Plus, we had equal lows there. So there's just no reason to take that. And if you would have took it, you probably would have got stopped out down here. You would have had your stop below this candle that formed the fair value gap, and then you would have got stopped out. So just better to avoid it. Again, sometimes when I often tell people in my private Discord this a lot is often like when we have like trades, like when we're anticipating kind of like choppy conditions, there's sometimes will be trades, but sometimes it's not even worth taking the trade. Like sometimes you're going to see trades and they're just not worth taking. Like, is it really worth your time scalping it, trying to hit it for what, $300-400 or whatever it is relative to your account size? Sometimes it's just not worth it. Sometimes it's just not worth taking trades. And that's exactly what I did today. It just wasn't worth my time taking that trade. The stress and the mental energy, it just wasn't worth it, man. I'd rather just wait until things are super clear, because my Discord can vouch for me. They know how hard I fucking go when structure is super clear. So, I mean, you guys already know what's up with me. Like, I do not trade well in these type of conditions. So I'd rather just stay away and wait till structure is like stupid clear. When it's stupid clear and it sticks out like a sore thumb, we're going hard. Like, it just is what it is. Driss, that's crazy, bro. I can't say that on YouTube, bro. That is crazy. That is crazy. That's insane. Seems like we're chopping rest of the day. Yeah, we can, man. We definitely can just chop till close. But I think we'll get a move. I think we'll get a move here in the next couple hours, next 2 hours. I'm betting on the upside, but who knows? We'll see. Yeah, this was considered a turtle soup. Yo, what's good, Blake? When are we going to get the same PA as November? I don't even know, man. Low resistance liquidity clear as hell. That's what I'm saying, Blake. That's exactly what I'm saying. Oh, Vainsy, I'm gonna miss you, bro. I'm gonna miss you, Vainsy. You didn't like that 15-minute FEG targeting SSL around market open? Nah, I did not. It just wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth it, Tristan. It was not worth it for me. Because market manipulation happens during New York Open. So we were in the AMDX model, so or was it distribution? No, it was distribution today during NY Open. But usually during NY Open, we usually have a pretty manipulative move, so I didn't want to risk it. You know what I mean? We technically, right now on the 5-minute on NQ, we technically do have a CISD, which is the change in state delivery. So, I mean, if we can hold this, I think if price is being supported by these down close candles, then I think we could move higher. But if not, then it's GG in the chats, my boys. It is GG in the chat. This is technically a CISD. So, if price is being supported by down close candles, then we expect higher prices. If not, then we expect lower prices. 5 minutes, still not doing anything. Still not doing shit. Hey, printer, I don't doubt that for one bit. Move probably not coming till last 10 minutes of the day. I could see that shit happening, bro. We've had that happen a lot. Oh, we do have a 15-minute bearish fair value gap right here. The 15-minute right here on ES. Boom. Right there. Damn, that shit is holding on for dear life, for real. Not doing anything, bro. Come on. 15-minute FEG still holding as well. Guess I'll mark this out. Five minutes. Yeah, this is GG for the CISD. GG, I'm on Helldiver 2. That motherfucker can move 200 handles. It's gonna do it without me. I don't know, bro. You really think it can move 200 points in the last hour and a half? Nah, bro. I think you're smoking dick. I don't think that can. I highly doubt that happens. I tell that to anybody who's tripping. I'm like, bro, you're smoking fat dick. Like, from your experience, do the second set of 90-minute cycles in NY session follow AMDX X AMD? Yes, there is a PM session, and that also follows a quarterly theory. Hey, yo, what? YLA, bro. Bro's getting the band hammer. Yeah, screenshot that shit. Lunchtime highs up here. I wonder if we get a reaction off the CE of this wick here. If we can even go down there. Are we tapping the quarter? I think we are. We are tapping the upper quadrant of this wick. As you guys can see here. 0.75. That's, if you don't know, you could split the wicks and the FEGs into quadrants, like half, quarter, 3/4. It's reacting off the 75% of this wick right here. I'm still waiting for my model here. I don't see anything yet. Arriba la bandera. Let's go, Martinez. Have you ever looked at the 90-minute? No, but I know Rumen does. Rumen always looks at the 90-minute. He's my 90-minute soldier. Bro, watched the whole series, smashed it, got 200K funded with the unicorn. Let's fucking go, the bearded traders. Good job, bro. I like to hear that. That's what I love to hear right there. Good stuff. I have 2 buy-side targets at 17,554 and 614, and dog in the middle of that. Oh, I don't know about that, man. That's a little too far up here. 554, I see that, but I think I would aim for these highs right here instead. Again, I'm not really expecting much, man. I really, if we go lower, I'm not going to take a trade. What's your usual risk management plan when on a challenge account? I try to build up the initial drawdown as most as I can. Yeah, we need displacement and speed. Exactly. All right, let's mark out the 0.5 again of this. One thing I recognized yesterday going 0 and 4 was that I was reacting off PA itself and not reaction off PA time in the model. Never again. Small losses though, 1 win takes it all. Yeah. This chat clowned today. Yeah, printer. It's wild. Are we still holding this 5-minute? Dude, we're still holding this 5-minute on ES. Hold on, I gotta mark out these two. I just don't want it to get too messy here. Damn, we're still holding this 5-minute, dog. This 5-minute is tough. Look at the bodies respecting it. I'm not in Days group now. CE of Wick, last resort. I agree. This 5-minute FEG and the CE of this wick is the last resort. I totally agree with that. Oh man, this is fucking boring. I hate days like these. I'll probably stay on here for like another 30 minutes. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm not expecting much if I'm being honest. The news just it sucks, bro. Like FOMC minutes just complete. Like no news weeks in general just suck. They absolutely blow. They absolutely suck. You know what's gonna happen, printer, that you just reminded me of is Nvidia earnings. I bet you anything after hours market is gonna move like heavy with Nvidia earnings. He said aftermarket live. Whole market been waiting on that. Yeah, man. Honestly, dude, I could see that happening. I could definitely see market moving pretty heavy after hours just because of the Nvidia earnings. That's like the most anticipating earnings this week. He said I'm buying $1,300 calls for Friday. I want to get into options. I'm not gonna lie, just like a long-term port. I have a port, but I haven't used it. Looks like the barcode you scan at Walmart. Yeah, the 15-minute looks like a straight barcode. You could probably slap this on a Walmart product and get away with it. ¿Qué pasa, Johnny? What's up, bro? I feel like Nvidia earning will tank the market and start the long-term sell model. I mean, we're already in a long-term sell model. or starting one. I'm not in anything yet. This wick is like the CE of this wick is like the last resort, bro. It literally did the same thing last time. It's same exact shit. It like pumped up, took internal high, and then just dumped for the rest of the day. It's exactly what the fuck happened last time, bro. Exact same price action here. Nothing new. Nothing new at all. I probably will not take any trades. I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting price to go up and take out buy side, but since we're not doing that, I don't really have any defined targets here for the sell side except all the way down here. And with NVIDIA earnings, this most likely gets hit after market. If we're gonna move hella crazy like that, it's gonna be after hours with NVIDIA earnings. I do not have any clear PD arrays to target here. If I'm being honest, yeah, I don't have shit to target here. Nothing at all whatsoever. 15-minute, 5-minute. Yeah, I don't have shit to target, bro. Yeah, the market definitely needs Viagra. I agree. Let's see what you guys are you planning on doing another crypto stream? Yeah, I'll probably do it on Saturday. Probably do one Saturday. This Saturday. Well, actually, I don't know. I'll be in Miami, so I don't know. That's when I'm doing the podcast as well as Saturday. Honestly, guys, I'll probably just hop off a stream, dude. I don't think I'm going to take anything. If we're just going to move lower like this, I'm probably just going to hop off. I'm not going to waste my time here. If I'm just being 100 with you guys, like, I don't see anything exciting happening for the rest of the day. Yeah, I don't even, yeah, see, we're just pushing down. Really don't see anything happening here rest of the day. Just took out that low here on ES. We're probably just going to slowly trend down. All right, guys, I think I'm going to just hop off of here. Don't like the price action right now. Not really liking anything whatsoever. If I'm being honest with you guys, I'm not liking shit right now. The 15-minute looks like absolute dog water. We're just slowly trending down. This is the main sell side target that I'm looking at. I don't know if we hit this during after hours or what, but that looks like where it's heading. So I'm gonna just hop off here, guys. I'm not taking any trades today, so I'm just gonna hop off here. I know signal bots on YouTube are super angry. All right, guys, have a good day. I will see you guys after market close for our market recap and trade reviews. Whoever took trades, bring them through, and we'll go ahead and review them. But I will catch you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Wasn't much to actually look for, so I'll catch you guys later. Peace out, guys.